Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Margao rape case taken more ugly turn. Accused has filmed the rape. One guy still absconding. Shocking incident shakes the city. Kurchare youth duped by the rice puller dealers. Police suspect that fake CBI officers and dealers were in connivance. Complainant not ready to speak. Judgment favouring MLA Miki Pacheco faces wide criticism. Iris to challenge the verdict in the High Court, while a section of advocates feel that such a verdict sends wrong message. State has refused separate cadre for IAS officers, reveals MP Shantaram Naik. Says he was shocked to see the letter. Such a refusal will spell problems, cautions Member of Parliament. Preparing for Lusophobia Games, coach Sunil Sharma aims for Taekwondo glory. P. Anand says he is training harder to better bronze performance. And Lusophobia Games infrastructure awarded for 240 crore rupees. Planned stadia of international standard. Government has kept the promise, says Tawakal. And now the news in detail. The Margao rape case is turning into a shocker. Police investigation has revealed that two boys named Savio and Zahir raped her and filmed their heinous act. Police have arrested Zahir and they are on a lookout for Savio.
The police here are on the lookout of a 22-year-old man who with his accomplice is accused of raping a minor girl twice and also recording it on a mobile phone. A 16-year-old college girl complained to police that a man named Savio and his friend Zahir had raped her after taking her to a toilet of a multiplex on Thursday. They had later raped her again in an isolated area that they took her to. The girl was taken for medical examination and rape is confirmed. The duo lured the girl to multiplex to see a film and then they took her to a toilet and committed the rape and filmed it. Zahir was arrested late Thursday night. The victim later told her parents about the incidents. The parent contacted women's activist Auda Viegas. Auda confirmed the facts to Prudent.
minor. admit केला. आणि absconding पे असा तो absconding म्हणपाक शकना आमी कारण ताचे डिटेल्स नी पूर्णपणी मेळुना अजूनपर्यंत.
ओके.
ते चेडू फक्त कसो दिसतालो हे सांगता. त्याचे बाईक नंबर नोकळो. तो खंयचो तो नोकळो. म्हण चौकशी चालू आसा. पोलिसांनी त्या चेडवान काढला एक स्केच आनी दिला पुलिसेक. ते सीन ऑफ ऑफेन्स पे आसा न्ही. ते काल हे जालें की ते कोनसुवा म्हणून पण ना पण ते कोनसुवा न्ही ते सीन ऑफ ऑफेन्स न्ही राय.
The women's group assisted girl's parent in registering the case at Margao police station. This case has shocked the Margao city and police are still unable to trace the second culprit involved in the inhuman act. Bureau report Prudent.
It's now almost certain that a youth from Kurchare has been duped of 1 crore by a gang supplying rice puller. Ponda police had earlier registered this case as kidnapping. The complainant Nandakishore has struck a 2 crore deal for rice puller with 3 persons from Belgaum. 1 crore was paid in advance to the party. Remaining amount was supposed to be cleared after verification of the rice puller. Now the complainant has lost 1 crore and rice puller too.
Many cheating cases related to a rice puller are being reported across the country. But Ponda incident is the first experience for a Goan. Rice puller is basically a copper metal mixed with radium which gives it a property to attract rice. Have a look at this. This is a rice puller. Nandakumar Vas from Kurchode fixed a deal for rice puller with Prakash Nayak, Sameer Sheikh and Riaz Sheikh in Belgaum. The deal was fixed for a whopping 2 crore rupees. Vas had paid 1 crore rupees to the party in advance. The balance amount was supposed to be paid on 12th December. But the news of kidnapping of these 3 dealers spread across the previous day. As claimed by the 3 dealers from Belgaum, the kidnappers posed as CBI officers. But Ponna Police PI CL Patil feels that most probably the 3 dealers have duped complainant Vast by creating the CBI officers' raid story. Patil also cites a possibility that kidnappers are part of rice puller dealers gang.
लोकांक मिसगायड करून हेचो व्हॅल्यू 1000 करोड आसा अशें सांगून हे लोक गिरायकां सोदीत भोंवतात आनी 4-5 जाणांची गँग जावन मागीर ते क्रायम करतात चिटींग. सो हे केसी ही म्हाका दिसता गोंयांत पयली केस, पूण हेच्या पयलीं खूब कडेन रिपोर्ट जाल्ले आसा कर्नाटका, महाराष्ट्र, केरला, दिल्ली. आनी म्हाका तरी दिसता की जे 3 लोक गेल्या ते त्या गँगाचेच पार्ट आसपाक जाय.
Prudent tried to contact Nand Kishore Vast, but he denied to speak on camera. Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
This judgment releasing offender Mickey Pacheco in engineer case has been widely criticized by the legal fraternity. Nuve MLA Mickey Pacheco on Thursday was released on admonition under probation of Offenders Act by South Goa Session Court in Electricity Junior Engineer assault case. RTI activist advocate Iris Rodriguez says he would challenge this judgment in the High Court. Advocate Satish Sonak says verdict has set a bad example.
The South Goa Additional Sessions Court on Thursday in Electricity Junior Engineer Kapil Natekar assault case released accused Mickey Pacheco on admonition under probation of Offenders Act. Criticizing the judgment, social activist advocate Satish Sonak said that an MLA should not be given benefit of probation of Offenders Act because being a public figure, MLA should behave more responsibly.
The question the common man is asking is, if a common man or a government servant were to slap a minister or to slap a judge for the first time, would probation of Offenders Act benefit be given to the common man? This is, as I said earlier, the judge has thought that this is a simple slap case. So on the one hand, it is weighing a slap. On the other hand, let us see that the whole judgment, it has become a slap in people's confidence in the rule of law.
I do not see any reason what the electricity engineer was doing in Mickey's chamber at that time he was assaulted. In any case, I only hope that our judges apply the Probation of Offenders Act more liberally and to all, irrespective of the position they hold.
Taking a step ahead, RTI activist advocate Irish Rodriguez has said that he is going to challenge his judgment in the High Court.
Mickey Pacheco could not have been released under the Probation of Offenders Act. So the provisions of the law are very clear, and I feel this order is not in accordance with law. So let us take this whole matter before the Honorable Bombay High Court and test the validity and the veracity of the order passed by the learned Additional Sessions Court.
Advocate Sonak said that releasing Mickey Pacheco on admonition has left a bad example and government employees would feel more afraid of MLAs and ministers. With video journalist Sushant Pearl, Mukesh Kumar and Sameer Bhatt for Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.